And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's up, man? Got it looking real good, man.
I appreciate it, thank you.
What you running on the inside?
215. No, you're fine. The tailpipe's right over.
Yes, sir.
Misery.
The FIs.
I5. Okay,
the
yes,
411s.
sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, man. It was a good demo, man. There's only two of those in there.
Yeah, only two of them. Yeah, you looking.
Oh, yeah.
That's a 6-on.
That was 15?
Big buck 6-on.
Yeah, oh, yes, sir. The real deal.
Yeah.
You on social media anywhere they can follow you?
No, man, I'm not. 252 custom is.
Okay, 252 custom did it? Okay, I know what you're talking about.
Well, I'm part of them. So
Okay, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
It's good seeing you, bro.
Yep, it's good seeing you too.
Yes, sir, man.
Yep.
Give you one of those.
Thanks, man. I
I
appreciate
appreciate it, man. YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.